Hey guys, on today's video, I'm going to show you a black hat affiliate marketing strategy you can actually use to make money right now. And with this strategy guys, you can actually go on to getting thousands of views right here, as you can see, as this person is actually getting right here. And you can actually use such views right now and such followers to actually go on to making a lot of money with affiliate marketing. And I'm going to walk you through this simple strategy right now. So do watch the video to the end and learn this simple strategy right here. And without much waste of time, let's jump right ahead into today's video. But before we do that guys, you may want to just simply subscribe to the channel if you are actually new to my channel right here, because I actually create videos about CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, and how to make money online with the use of other AI tools. If you do like such content, make sure you do scroll through my channel and actually go on to watching such videos, because such videos can actually be helpful to you in making extra income online. With that being said, let's jump right back into today's video. So first of all guys, if you actually do come onto this platform right here, which is actually called Pinterest, and you do go on to see in this account right now, you can actually see a lot of people right here are actually making money right now on Pinterest. You can see right now, for every post which this person actually make right here, this person actually attaches an affiliate marketing link to that particular product or that particular post right now. So if I do go on to clicking on this particular post right in here, you're actually going to go on to see in this section, it actually added a link to an article or a link to an affiliate marketing product right now. So basically guys, a lot of people are using this simple strategy right now on Pinterest to go on to making money. You can see right now that this person actually has about 31,000 followers. He actually has about 51,000 monthly views right now. So this person has actually acquired a lot of engagement on his account right here. And if you do go on to maybe searching for this smart money tactics on Pinterest, you actually do find out that this is person's face. This is what you're actually going to be seeing the most right now on this platform. This is because people are actually going on to getting his particular videos and uploading that on their particular Pinterest account right there, and they are not actually facing any penalty because this is quite acceptable right here on Pinterest. If you do go on to clicking on this particular post right now or pin, you can do come right here and you actually do find out that the person that actually posted this is quite different right now from the owner of this particular pin or this particular video right here. So take a look at this. This is the actual individual that posted this particular stuff right now, and if you go to clicking on this, you will find out that this person is not actually the owner of this particular video right now, and the person actually do go on to getting a lot of other people's content and reposting it on their article, and actually do go on to using that to make money right now on Pinterest. And if you do go onto maybe YouTube and searching for the owner of that particular video, you will actually do see that this is the exact owner of that video right now, which is the smart money tactics individual right now, or this particular channel. The owner of this channel actually owns such videos, and they go on to repurposing his videos and using that as Pinterest pin right now to actually do get a lot of engagement. As you can see right now, with only 8 followers, this person gets about 1.9 monthly views or 1.9 thousand monthly views right here, just by using this simple strategy right now. So you could also go on to utilizing this strategy right now, grabbing other people's posts, go on to repurposing that on your platform and using that to make money. How do you do that guys? You may want to just simply come right here, click on this particular Pinterest pin, and you can want to just simply copy the link address to this pin right now, or you could just simply come right here, click on share, copy the link address to this pin, and actually do head on to Google. If you do go on to searching for the Pinterest video downloader, come right here, click on the first one or the first option which will be shown right now, and you want to just simply paste in the link right here to that particular Pinterest pin. If you do paste in the link, click on download, it's actually going to go on to analyzing that, and as you can see, it's working on the URL right here. And when it actually do works on that URL, you can see this is that same video right now. All you actually have to do is to go on to downloading this video, head back to your Pinterest pin or Pinterest page, and actually do go on to uploading that on your channel right there or your Pinterest account. So this is quite an amazing stuff which people actually do go on to using right now. So they go on to repurposing other people's content and using that to make money right here on Pinterest. So in order for you to go on to doing something similar to this right now, you may want to just simply head on to platforms like YouTube. And if you do go on to heading on to YouTube, supposing they want to just simply use this person's particular content, you can actually do click on that particular content right now on the channel. I'm just going to go onto the video section, and you can actually do see lots of his videos right now, and he actually talks about making money online. All you actually have to do is to just simply select one of these videos right now. If I just select this video, I'm going to go on to pausing that, and I'm then just simply going to come right here and go on to clicking on share. If I do click on share right now, I'm going to copy the link address to this particular video right now, and this is actually the link address to the video. Once I do copy that, I can then just simply go onto maybe this particular platform right now, which is called the Opus.pro. And this particular platform called Opus Clip is actually an amazing tool which you could take advantage of, as you can actually use it to go on to repurposing one long video into 10 viral clips, and it actually creates videos 10 times faster for you right now. And you can see the Opus Clip is a generative AI video tool that repurposes long video, talking videos into shorts in just one click right now, and it is powered by the OpenAI. All you actually need to do is to come onto this particular platform, sign up for absolutely free. You do get some free credit, but it's actually a paid tool, but you can actually do get some free credits if you do sign up for free. And once you do log into your account, you can actually do see right here I've actually created some cool videos right here earlier in this particular platform, and this is quite suitable for video podcasts, educational videos, commentary videos, product reviews, motivational speeches. And all you actually have to do is to come right here, paste in the link to that particular video right now from YouTube, and it's actually going to go on to analyzing that video. You can see that this is the exact same video right now. All you actually have to do right now is to click on get clip, and it's actually going to go on to generating that particular video right here for you. It's going to repurpose that into 10 viral clips. And if I do go on to showing you a single video right now, which I actually analyzed on this platform, you could see it actually splitted this video into about 10 clips right now. And if you do go on to checking out each clip, you will find out that they actually do have a specific score right now, and this score actually goes on to showing you the likelihood of that video actually going viral as a YouTube short, TikTok video, and an Instagram reels. And if you can actually do see right here, the score keep going up and changing from video to video right now. But you can actually do see this first one right here had a 99% score. You can actually do go on to downloading that particular video and using that as a reel right now, or go onto your Pinterest account and go on to uploading that right in here. You could also grab other people's content, go on to uploading that and using that to make money right now. So supposing I actually do come right here and actually download this particular video right now, if I do click on this download right now, I'm just going to come right here, click on download, and the video right here will automatically go on to be downloaded on my device. So guys, once that video has successfully been downloaded, all you actually need to do right now is to actually head back to Pinterest, and you want to just simply come right here, click on create, go on to clicking on create pin, and if you do click on that right now, you want to just simply go on to uploading that particular video right in here. So if I select that video, click on open, the video has actually been uploaded. Next guys, you can actually do go on to giving it a very cool title, give it a very cool description. You could add in alternative text, you could add in tags, and in this destination link right here, this is where you're actually going to go on to add in your affiliate marketing offer. So if you do head on to platforms like Pinterest or any other affiliate marketing platform out there, you want to just simply register for the platform, log into your account, head on to the affiliate marketplace, and go on to selecting an offer. But for this particular type of niche right now, it's quite advisable you do go on to focusing on the e-business and e-marketing niche. And if you do focus on this niche right now, you can actually do see lots of offers which you can go on to taking advantage of right now, because that particular niche which we're actually focusing on right here on Pinterest is actually on the make money online niche. So if you do focus on this niche right now and actually do go on to searching for jobs related niche right now on ClickBank, you can do get a product right now, click on promote, and you'll be able to go on to inserting your nickname right now, create your hop link, and go onto platforms like TinyURL to shorten that particular link. Once you do shorten the link, you can then just simply head back to Pinterest right now, or that particular pin which you were creating, and paste that in right here in this destination link before then going on to publishing that on Pinterest. And this is actually a very simple black hat method you can actually do go on to using. Get people's content, repurpose that content, and actually do go on to using that to earn money with CPA or affiliate marketing right now. So use this strategy right now, even as a beginner. And guys, if you do like this strategy, make sure you do go on to liking this particular video, subscribe to this channel, and ensure your notification bell are turned on all so that I do alert you whenever I release much more amazing videos that could prove useful to you in earning extra income online. That's it for now. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.